Imagine yourself in this Ford 2017 Escape S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: one LCD monitor in the front, 15.7 gallons fuel tank, 3.51 axle ratio, 4 12-volt DC power outlets, 4-way passenger seat included, manual recline and 4 aft movement, 4-wheel disc brakes with 4-wheel ABS, front vented discs, brake assist hill hold control and electric parking brake, ABS and driveline traction control, advanced track with roll stability control, electronic stability control, ESC, and roll stability control, RSE, and air filtration. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.